Is this viral tennis necklace and bracelet actually worth the hype? You've seen it everywhere. The Italo jewelry tennis set that has completely taken over social media. But let's be real, does it look as high quality and sparkly in person as it does online? A real diamond tennis necklace and bracelet cost a fortune. We're all searching for that perfect affordable option that looks ultra luxurious though. So I did order the famous Italo created sapphire tennis necklace and bracelet to finally see what it's all about. I'm going to unbox it today and give you my completely honest, no hold bar review on the quality and of course the sparkle. And my final verdict just might surprise you. Alright, let's get right into it. First impressions are everything. So let's see how Italo jewelry packages this famous set. It arrived in this super sturdy, clean white box with a gold Italo logo all tied up with a beautiful blue satin ribbon. I have to say, it definitely gives premium feel right from the start. Inside, each piece is tucked away in its own beautiful dark blue jewelry box. Again, a very nice touch. So let's start with the necklace. Okay, so opening it up, wow. The first thing I noticed is that there is a really nice weight to this necklace. This is the classic created white sapphire tennis necklace SKU 281045. It does not feel flimsy or cheap at all at about 28 grams, and you can really feel that it has substance. The metal is 925 sterling silver, but it's plated with rhodium, which gives it that super bright, almost platinum-like shine and helps to keep it from tarnishing. I love how it immediately sparkles right out of the box. Now for the bracelet, same gorgeous packaging. This is the round cut created white sapphire tennis bracelet SKU 31003, and it feels just as special as the necklace. It has the same rhodium plated sterling silver and a very secure looking clasp, which is so important for a piece like this. You don't want to be worrying about it falling off, and so this clasp definitely looks like it is going to help. It ranges in length from 6 inches to 9.5 inches, and both come in different plating colors. You can choose between silver, yellow, gold, or rose gold. Overall, the whole unboxing experience is definitely A+. Presentation really makes it feel like you're getting something extremely special. So let's get into the details, starting with the necklace. This is a 16-inch princess length, which is a fantastic, versatile length that sits perfectly on most people's collarbones. The stones themselves are lab-created white sapphires. This means they have the same chemical and physical properties as natural sapphire, but they are made in a lab, making them an ethical and more affordable option than diamonds. Each stone is round cut and they're held in a 4-prong setting. That's a big deal for 2 different reasons, security and sparkle. The 4-prong setting holds the stones in there and allows the most light possible to hit the stone from every angle, which is what creates that brilliant flash. The links really feel smooth. It doesn't seem like it's going to kink up or get twisted, which is a common problem with cheaper tennis necklaces. The bracelet is built in the same exact way, with a continuous line of these created sapphires in this secure 4-prong setting. The clasp is a box clasp that clicks in so securely. It helps to give you confidence that this is not going to fall off or accidentally pop open while you're wearing it. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the sparkle. Let's get into how these pieces really perform. Okay, so wow, under direct light, the sparkle is absolutely insane. It genuinely mimics the look of high-end diamonds. At night, these would be complete showstoppers, or even in the day. The stones have a bright silvery white glow to them, a little different from the rainbow that you would get with a diamond, but it is stunning in its own right. I love how these just sparkle so beautifully that they actually truly do though look like real diamonds. So the big question, does it look like it's not good quality in real life? From a normal conversational distance, I would actually think this is an extremely expensive diamond set. The quality and the shine and the sparkle is that good. Now, if you get super close, I'm not sure even a professional jeweler could tell the difference. I was actually wearing another Italo piece I have when I went into a jewelry store recently, and the jeweler actually thought they were real. She actually looked at the set that I was wearing that day and she said to my husband, "You did good." So for everyday wear or a special night out, these are total knockouts. The brilliance and the shine that these pieces give off is unmatched. Okay, so let's get brutally honest now with the pros and the cons. The pros are pretty obvious. The sparkle you get for the price is exceptional. The quality feels solid and durable. I've seen reviews from other people who've had their pieces for over a year, and they say that they hold up beautifully with no lost stones or tarnishing. And of course, the affordability and beautiful quality are my personal top reasons for purchasing Italo pieces over and over again. You get the high impact, luxurious look for a tiny fraction of what you would pay for diamond jewelry or other stones. As for the necklace, it does have a little bit of weight to it. Personally, I love that because it feels a little substantial, but if you prefer a more lightweight option, maybe that's something to keep in mind. Although to me, I actually do feel like this is pretty weightless and I don't even feel like I have anything on. I also briefly wanted to mention that I love how Italo offers a 1-year warranty. They also do have a 60-day return, and they do also have all worldwide free shipping. So what is my final honest to goodness verdict on the Italo jewelry bracelet and necklace? With the quality, I am super impressed. These are amazing options if you want that classic high-end tennis jewelry look without destroying your bank account. I'll drop the links for the exact necklace and bracelet down below if you want to check them out. To be precise, I'll have also the SKUs for the necklace and the bracelet. Again, everything will be linked though for you to find easily on the Italo website. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you love Italo jewelry as much as I do? Let me know your favorite Italo jewelry pieces. Drop your links down below because I would love to check your favorites out. So it turns out the viral hype is pretty much justified. Italo really did deliver on its promise of affordable luxury without skimping on the sparkle. I love the high quality feel. These pieces are honestly perfect for dressing up or for casual outfits or wearing to a wedding or a formal event, or even just as a travel safe alternative to your more expensive jewelry. You get the look, you get the sparkle, and you get the confidence without having to break the bank. So thanks so much for watching. And again, let me know your favorite Italo pieces down below. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I will see you very soon.